Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, back on the Silvera case. You probably think, it's still upon that, you're not done after that? No, we're not done after that. We're not done after enough things. This right here, so, is shambolic. The lady was finally laid to rest. Funeral go on. Me that go down and go check it out. When you look, you see the husband, Mr. Big Shot, Mr. Big Wig, Mr. Farmer MP, top man of the PNP, right. Jolyan, Silvera, putting on a performance. Even Morgan Freeman would envy. Denzel Washington, who? Eddie Murphy, who? Hollywood actors are taking notes. I try up them game. Such was the performance put on by Jolyan Silvera. The video up on social media on his Observer page. You can check it out for yourself, right? Post all part of the video on Patreon because I don't want people to see it. But in the video, my whole look at you tonight on and what I really like put pitney on YouTube like that when I'm alive. Right. The wanting to see even the youth look on him like him I say, I would have better try to convince man. Pathetic. Stomach upset. Melissa Silvera family better than me. Better than me. I couldn't do it. I couldn't stay in the side him. 1 hour after left. I couldn't stay on the funeral with her brother there. Worst thing I go on so, it's a 1 hour would have left. The doctors still have a million questions. When the charges drop on this man yet. Dead in a sleep. House fixed up back, all kind of things. Means that the crime scene is spruced up. Cover up. If it wasn't for the autopsy, the narrative would remain the same. She died in her sleep. There's been no charges laid on the man so far. Are they hoping that we just forget? Well, John Public might forget. But I remember. And Pepperidge Farm remembers. Where the top man them in the PNP there? When they not holding no killy accountable. Nobody on the labor rights side now say nothing either. We all know why. Because beyond the surface we don't say all on our friend. All on the link. All on the picnic go see him school, eating time with him. Meet up in the parking lot. Ha 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 ha. DJ Nigel, that's straight saw part 2. You hear my laugh loud. That's straight saw part 2. At night time. You know who they laughing at? You. Marky Joe, you know, take the bull by the hand. Remember when the lady dead? Much you come out so tragic. You know what's tragic? The way you want to cover up for each other. And the way the Jamaican public make gonna get with it. I have so many questions. Who was the doctor who pronounced it man dead? Police can't pronounce somebody dead. Let's start fear 1 and 2 name. But who on the official name? Who is the doctor that pronounced this woman dead? Why is that doctor still doctoring? Could it be that doctor is also a member of the party, deep in politics? Who is that doctor? ID, the doctor. Gunshot. Multiple gunshot. What are the consequences for declaring somebody dead? I'm not sure the charges when clearly gunshot, not the somebody. When you know say the yard go back go get fixed up and all kind of things take out and this rearrange back to make it look like say, oh no, one like one man call man. Yo, you know, so let's go. Yo, you can't call us. What's come deal with this? The Jamaican masses deserve everything they get. Things like this are going right in front of them, but they don't care because they're too busy caught up in entertainment and gimmicks. What the masses care about is who breed for who, what take who for man. Entertainment and gimmicks. Easily blindside, just like children. Children will have something to do, you know, like their homework. And as they walk off to go do it, then get distracted by all. One basketball, they sit them in the corner and play basketball. You know, they play a game and their homework them for do, you know. What them for do, them to do. What them for care about, them they care about. So the Jamaican masses, see. People forget about the story already. All the groups of them love woman and care about woman. Then put up on this. Like flies and feces in a pit latrine. Like cockroach in a pit latrine. I see them for them on it. Pit toilet style. So I look a small statement and move on. Who no love woman? I think when we care about woman and woman being murdered. This woman was murdered. Murdered. I just make it move on, so. Funeral was noticeably devoid of many big wigs. I guess they were worried about the image, I don't know. This woman was PJ Patterson's goddaughter. The wife of a former MP. She was a loyal comrade. Why didn't the PNP court go support this woman on her final walk when she went into the grave? Maybe because the whole of them know how the cover up go. We involved in it. I don't know. Shame like dog couldn't even turn up and show them face. People send written statements still. Yes, Almighty Joe send written statements. Why wouldn't I write about the lie that was covered up? Well, no one lie now. Because by the time the story come out, they don't know exactly. Yeah, because even from them time of the year and why me couldn't even believe it. Why me oh, so they already know before it even touched mainstream. So why nobody never say nothing? If it wasn't for that autopsy, this would go down just so. Died peacefully in her sleep. Be a post on social media. Condolences. Politicians from both sides putting out statements. Now it turned out it's a murder. No more statement now, come on. No. Oh, go on. Where is the statement condemning the murder of this woman? Left their children motherless. I will now post on Twitter and Instagram. Post murder. Everybody gonna stay quiet. One of them. People are vampires. A Twilight them belong in. Twilight them belong in. The pale looking vampire in a Twilight. Nah, nothing for some of them people there. These are monsters. Yeah, you're monsters. They didn't even fool me what happened. Because when time the man kill his wife, him start calling around, forget, yo, you're gonna need to do this, man, I need for this, I need somebody to get this thing, I need somebody to declare this, and everybody worked along with it. World class investigators only. They not drop no charges. Who now wait, man? I already tell you now, I'm not forget it now. So if I even once a week, once every 2 weeks the most, I'll be here reminding you about this case. Just like how we're going to keep reminding them about it. Sorry, Paul. See, what them do, with these big wigs, them hope people forget. Just like, every time the big money fine and them I talk about them, I look for press and them, I hunt press and I tell them, say press I can't get no way. Because if pressure dropping on Uncle Sam's hands, the government implode. So it's wait till it die out, die out. I remember. Pepperidge Farm, remember? But they know who they're dealing with. They know they're dealing with the Jamaican masses when they say who are essentially children. You can get upset all you want. Matter of fact, hit the dislike button. I'm working here. From day one, I've never tried to win any popularity contest. I don't need to be liked. What I need is the Iron Man to start acting like it's a sovereign nation run and inherited by people who have sense. That's what I need. This is ridiculous. Them quick for run on social media. Condolences and we look at it, we care about the women and the kids. We don't care about nothing. Whole thing vampire care about is blood. Yo, I'm not rate on the leaders, you know. I tell them the straight. I'm gonna get to realize that we're not much better than them. Because them have a run. Oh yeah, we're gonna suck your mother and load, man. Alright. Cool. We don't want to come between Una and God. Thing looks spooky. Where are the charges? World-class investigators, where are the charges? Where were the PNP bigwigs at them big comrade funeral? Marky Joe. Dayton Campbell, where were you, Dayton? Yo, me no want no politician tell me nothing about no protect no man. Because we see, 1 to 2 man. And we see, not just want to friend them, but want to help protect on the friend them. Remember these bloodsuckers, we tell us that the man down the road who put him hand on him, man, I'm gonna crush him like a roach. Make an example out of him. But when time them, not just put hand pan, but broke up with all cheer. Shut up and then say, a natural causes, and nah, nothing to say. They're so vocal when it's not one of their own. Diabolical. Murder, most foul. But for certain things to happen, the environment must be conducive to it. And these bloodsuckers can operate in an Iron Man with impunity because Iron Man people make it. So they accept this. This is playing out in front of them, as they say all them care about is entertainment. It's like a child. A child doesn't care if Big C version 99 come out. All a child care about is when we can go back and play my game. When we can go outside and run up and down. Don't forget to hit the dislike button. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more live. Ultra squad, see you circling. Blessed.